Good evening guys, this is Rinkesh Patel and welcome to my YouTube channel of mechanical design tutorials. And this is the second part of Sketch, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use Sketch and the rest of it subcommand. So for that I have created some small little geometry so I can teach you how to use the subcommand of Sketch is chamfer, fillet, quick trim, quick extend and make corner. Okay, these 5 command we will learn in this tutorial. For that I have created a small geometry. You can see that. Oh, now you if you have disturbed your orientation view of Sketch, you can just right click and orient view to Sketch or shift F8. You can press shift F8. Okay, this first command we have selecting chamfer. In chamfer there are 3 kind of options: curve to chamfer, offset and offset location. We have no worry about offset location, and curve to chamfer we have just selecting this curve and this curve to make chamfer at this angle, at this point. Sorry. Now we are selecting trim inputs first and then off the trim inputs. Okay, now there are 3 kind of option in offset command: symmetric, asymmetry and offset and angle. We will learn each of command, and we are not gonna lock this distance. Okay, first of all we are selecting this and the second, and distance between distance of the chamfer I am giving 2 mm and then done. Okay, you see that this part of the line is trimmed by the command. Now we are putting chamfer at this, and we are off trim inputs command and then 2, enter. You see that now the line is not breaking. So I hope you understand what is the trim input curves. Okay, we are not selecting trim, we are selecting trim input curves, and then we are gonna use asymmetry. This is the symmetry. So the two side of this line, two side of this chamfer is 2 mm and 2 mm. This is symmetry. We are selecting chamfer and then another corner we are selecting asymmetry. First I want to give first distance 3 and the second distance of 2, and I am selecting first line this and second line of this. So you can see that if I will lock these 2 distance, then it will, sorry, if I will lock this distance at 2 and enter, so it will automatically created 3 by chamfer of 3 by 2. I hope you will understand. Now another third option of line and offset and angle. Now I am selecting this distance of the offset of 3 and at the angle of 60 degree. So what we have to do for it is just select first line from where this will make the angle and the offset, and the second line. So you can understand the distance between this point to this point is 3 mm and the angle between line is 60. So the operation will perform on what you are selecting first line. I hope you understand. We are controlling Z and done. Okay, now our second option is fillet. There are 4 kind of options. First is trim, second is untrim. For third, in the options bar there are delete third curve and create alternative fillet. So for that I have created some small geometry of rectangle. I teach you how to make rectangle in tutorial first of Sketch, so there is no worry, you can see that video on my YouTube channel. So now we are selecting fillet and then simple trim, first, second, and the radius of 5, and then it will created automatically the radius of 5. Now we are selecting untrim. This will what do is not to trim the rest of these horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now we are selecting another options of delete third curve. Okay, for that, if we trim this line, so we have to select bottom line first, upper line first, and then the third line. So third line will automatically delete it, and for vice versa we have to do it vice versa, first upper line, then bottom line, and then third line. You can see that our diagram will automatically created. Now create alternative fillets. For that I have to design this geometry, and we are selecting this line and deselect this. Then here you can see that this will create the alternate of trim. So the geometry will perform this kind. Okay, I hope you will understand. We are Ctrl Z, and now our next option is trim, quick trim. You can press T and you will get yourself in this command. There are two options, boundary curve and curve to trim. Settings, because setting is neglectable, so we are not putting this trim to action in our operations. So boundary curve, what is boundary curve? If I want to trim this line from here to here whole, then I will select the boundary line. But first we will learn how to trim simple line. So if I want to delete this segment, I just click here and click here, and this will automatically delete until the next corner or until the next point on this curve. Okay, I hope you will understand. We pressing Ctrl Z, so our line will be back, and now we are selecting boundary curves, this and this. I want to select I want to delete this line between this line to line whatever you name it. Curve to trim, now we are selecting this, then it will automatically trim between this line to this line. You can see in video. Okay, close. I hope you will understand. So we are pressing Ctrl Z, and here quick extend, just like quick trim, this is the opposite option of quick extend. You can press E and you will inside the command. Okay, there are also we are neglectable settings, curve to extend. So if I want to extend this curve up to this line or next line, I am just selecting line 4 and it will automatically extend. Here if I want to extend this line up to that, I just click this line and it will automatically extend up to that. Now what will do boundary curves? I am just selecting boundary curves to this, and you can see that this curve will automatically extend up to this line in atmosphere, obviously in space. So I think this knot is hard. We are pressing Ctrl Z and right click, edit, and another option. Our last option is make corner. So for that I have to delete some geometries. So what I will do is chamfer and done. Okay, now I trim this line. So here if I want to make a corner between this and this line, what I have to do is just select the make corner and first line, then second line, and it will create automatically the corner. Okay, so here we have learned these 5 commands, and in the next tutorial of sketch 3 we will learn how to trim, how to use trim receipt curve and move curve, offset move curve, resize curve, and delete curve. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my videos, and for any queries you can mail me or you can comment on it. Thank you very much.